I dinna ken fit why I fast to me to caw about a countryside on a squeal's business.
The teacher said we had to deliver invitations on our patch, and Mrs. Fackerson in the big Hoose is on our patch.
Look, I've been gone by this drive all my life, and I've never eens been down here.
We're only folk. There's nothing to be feared of.
I'm nae feared. I'm nae feared of nobody. I'm a chuchter. I'm proud of it.
All we have to do is tap on the door and give him this invite.
We? It's nae we tatty heat. I'm nae getting out over the car. Mighty, this drive is half rutted. Typical of the gentry, with their airs and graces. To drive like this. You wouldn't hae sick a rock hurl if you were connecting out with a pair of neeps.
I'm only 11, Gordon. Will you nae come to the door, wee man?
No, I'm nae. I ken what it'll be like. She'll stand on the top step looking down her nib. Do you know you're on private property?
I saw her run the squeal, and she looked affright.
Well, I've never met the wifey, and I dinna win till. I dinna like the look of her. She's guy per jink. You should chap on the door, and if ever answers, you say, I'm nae biding, here's an invitation to the squeal. Sign, as faced as your wee legs'll carry you. Get in over the car, where I'll be sitting ready to ging awa. Dinna get held back with their mackie on blether. They're nae your kind of folk. Hathin' about 'em is different.
Like fit?
Well, they eat rotten pheasant, drink our muckle reed wine, which is like vinegar. Speak about things we dinna ken about. And sign canna speak about things we div ken about. They drive at all landy, which is an affront to civilization. Oh, and that I cleared it with dubs and dog hair.
First clarted, the landy or the folk?
Baith, and they dinna wash.
Div they nae?
Nah, that I watching. Mighty, here's it. God, look at the size of it. Right, you hurry. And dinna be spicking Doric at him.
Oh, Miss Cowie, will you not come in for a fine cup of your tea?
Get you to here. Give me a flag like that.
Oh, hello. No, dinna tell me. It's I've seen you in the squeal. You're in primary 6 with Miss Stevens.
I am that. It's Kirsty Cowie.
Who is it, darling? Is it somebody for me?
No, it's not for you, Badger. Go back down your set, darling. No, McQueen, what can I do for you?
I've brought an invitation from my squeal.
Oh, what's ever good of you, McQueen? But are you on your own?
My sister's in the car.
Oh, but we canna hear that. Will she nae come in for a fly copy?
I dinna ken. I wouldna think it.
Oh, come.
How are we? Oh, one shite you feel gape. Oh, I'm so sorry, Mrs. Ferguson. Oh, I didn't ken it was you. I just thought it was Kirsty gaping about.
Look, would you like to come inside for a fly and a fine piece?
Well, you wouldn't want me and Kirsty cluttering up your...
Oh, but I would. I hardly see a soul for a week to another. And I've just done a bacon, and I'd love to share it with yourselves. Will you nae come in? I've got some awful fine juice for Kirsty and I. Will you? Just to keep me happy.
Well, I didn't ken fit. Oh, thank you. I would be off a thing.
You didn't mind dogs, did you?